In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply metadata templates in Adobe Bridge. This process can significantly streamline how you manage and organize your digital assets, so let's dive right in. First things first, open Adobe Bridge. You'll start by optionally selecting a representative file. This file should ideally already have many of the metadata values you want to include in your new template. Think of details like your photographer's name, copyright notice, or a specific job code. By using a file with relevant data, you can ensure consistency and save time later on. Once you have your file selected, or if you choose not to select one, that's okay too, head over to the top menu. You'll want to click on Tools and then choose Create Metadata Template. This will bring up the Create Metadata Template dialog box, which is where the magic happens. In this dialog box, the first thing you'll do is give your template a name. Make sure it's something clear and descriptive, like My Standard Copyright. This clarity will be invaluable down the road when you're selecting from multiple templates and need to quickly identify the right one. Next, you'll explore the various metadata fields available. You'll need to check or select the fields you want to include in your template. These could range from fields like creator, copyright owner, and keywords to job title and location. Selecting the right metadata fields is crucial because they'll help categorize and manage your assets more effectively. The selection process is straightforward, but take your time to consider which fields will be most beneficial for your projects. Once you've chosen the fields, it's time to fill in their corresponding values. For example, you could enter John Smith as the creator, see 2025 John Smith Photography for the copyright notice, and perhaps a URL like johnsmithphoto.com. These values will automatically populate whenever you apply this template to your files, which can dramatically enhance both your workflow efficiency and the consistency of your metadata. A key point to remember is that if you check a field without entering a value, applying the template will clear any existing metadata in that field on your files. Essentially, a blank value prompts Bridge to overwrite current data, so it's important to either provide values or be prepared to clear data as needed. Once you're satisfied with your template settings, click Save. Your newly created template is now stored and ready for use. Having a metadata template at your disposal can greatly simplify the organization of your digital assets, as it allows you to apply consistent metadata across various files with just a few clicks. Whether you're managing a small batch of images or a vast library of assets, using these templates can enhance your productivity and ensure your metadata is always accurate and consistent.